feeling so happy. One dog is sleeping here and one dog is sleeping here and the other dog is there. They are sleeping here because they are feeling some cooler here and they are enjoying the fan. The fan is here and they are feeling some air, some cooler, some cool. So they are resting here. You can see the happiness on its face. You can see that she is smiling. Look at her teeth. Look at her teeth and the position of her mouth, and the other dog also smiling, and one little dog is there and one big dog is there. He is also happy, and a little baby is resting. I will take you to the little baby. You can see this little puppy is sleeping. Here is some water and it is sleeping here. These are street dogs, but I have allowed them to sleep here because it is very hot today and I don't want them to feel so hot in this day. I want to help them in this hot season. You can see the baby is sleeping and coughing.